In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your speaker volume on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system tile, and then select sound on the left panel. On the right side, click the drop down to choose your output device, perhaps if you have multiple speakers connected. And then you can adjust the master volume here to left or right depending on your preference. And that's all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.